welcome to our video. Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today, we're going to get the X challenge. I'm almost done with the X challenge, but you know I'm almost done. So let's get started. We're going to make the X challenge. We're going to do it and mix it up. I'm show you guys. First, there's some water right there. We have to put it in here. Put the water in here. Wait, before we put water, let's get a gut mix. Okay, I'm done with the gut mix. Now let's put water in here. Mommy, pretend they're real.
For real.
Water in there, so mix it up together. Mix it up. First, I'll mix it up like smoothie. I'm so sorry, water is no, Mommy, can I have you to put more water? Can I have you to put more water? Okay, this is going to be so scary. Are you off in there? Yeah. Well, that's so way off. So let's mix it up together so it can be so good. It's like soup. Good, taste it. It's tasting water. So it's disgusting though. So I think, guys, we're not done mixing it up. Oops, I splashed a little bit of water. So many water. We're almost done, Mama. So tell us, Mommy, what we doing today.
Well, you had some grits and then you mixed it with some water. And now you have watery grits.
Ew, I don't want to. Hey guys, we see you on the next video. Bye.